All right, cool project today. Got my friend Raghav's S1000 RR, and we're gonna get rid of this ugly exhaust system, and he's got a brand new Akrapovic stainless steel or titanium?
It is stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Yeah.
Stainless steel for the win.
Yep.
Into the famous workshop. All right, step one is completed, and that is basically remove all the fairings. Step two is to remove the silencer. So I've already loosened this torque so you can open it, and then I've already loosened this, it should slip out. Okay. It should slip out.
Oh, that's easy.
That's pretty easy. So that's going to be reused.
Yep.
We're going to remove the oxygen sensors. So okay, next step is to remove this motor here. We'll start with the screw over there. That screw. And there's 3 screws back in there.
Pull this thing out and then do a pinch and take it right here.
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the 8 bolts have been removed. And time to remove this big bolt from here. And then the oxygen sensor over here. And then we should be able to wiggle this thing free. So there you go. Those 2 oxygen sensors we need to remove.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, they'll go into the new one.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I thought the race exhaust do not need these sensors.
No, it needs something for the ECU to adjust. It still needs to read what the heck is going on. All right, not too bad. So we did have to remove the rear sets to get to the motor back there. And so that's a little tip. Other than that, wasn't too bad. What is the time right now, Raghav? What is the time?
12?
12. So you started at...
2 hours? We started close to 10 o'clock.
Close to 10. So just removing it is 2 hours.
Yep.
Okay. So there you have it. About 2 hours to remove. And that too of us working, even though I didn't do much, because my hand is healing, I should say. All right, we're removing the oxygen sensors from the old one. I'm gonna have to plug it back in. Yeah. Right, Exhaust.
This goes here, no, here.
Yeah, that goes up there. All right, everything is installed. We're gonna clean up the silencer and the entire system with WD-40, remove all the marks and fingerprints and dirt, and then we'll give it a start.
Set it up.
All right, we're gonna be the grand start. Down